cannons backing away underneath the feet. Hands ready on the brake shoes. As soon as the wheels touch, the chute comes out. Head down.
Now in production with 620 aircraft on order from 4 NATO nations, Eurofighter Typhoon is on course to become the mainstay of NATO's peacekeeping forces for the next 30 years. A fighter with true swing roll flexibility, delivering superiority for pilots and total air power for the new millennium. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for coming on board. Please remain in your seats until the doors are fully open, and mind your step as you exit the capsule.
Without any kind of license, nowhere where this is concerned. So for those of you looking for the excitement of perhaps an entry into flying, it could be a good way to get started. Certainly looks a lot of fun, and one does see all sorts of things on the South Downs from time to time. Very enthusiastic. Embarrassingly, sometimes they do fly better than some of the high-performance riders. This is cost £100,000.
Australian seating.
Sky usually rounded off by a beautiful landing where it comes to rest right in front of the commissary position here.
Now prepare yourself for airborne flying display, one of the world's most advanced swing roll combat aircraft. We are ready to go. It's time to hand over to our pilot, Keith Hart.
Welcome to Eurofighter Typhoon development aircraft number 1. We're lined up on the left of Shoreham Airport for ELA 2000 flight display. Readings are in, airplanes accelerating fast, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, full max speed, 110, 120, 130, gears travelling, smoke wipers are on. We're continuing to pull back up for a hard climbing loop, 190, 200 knots, decelerating as we go over the top, 3,000 feet in, 130 knots, pulling down towards the runway. Airplane accelerating, rolling off the line, as we go through the vertical, have some separation from the display line, pulling up, 280 knots here, at 3G, and rolling hard left. Alpha roll, the airplane corkscrews around its axis as we go back towards the runway, hard right hand turn, looking out, up and right, display centre, display line, which is the runway. There's the runway, straight airplanes accelerating 280 to 90, 300, pulling up at about 4.
Brilliant.